I'm Nidhish Nanavati. I have got my visa approved. I am heading to George Mason University to pursue my Masters in Computer Science for the Spring 22 intake. I am really thankful for the whole Careerline Education team to guide me through the visa process and for helping me with getting admits with Desired University. I would especially like to thank Hardik sir and Nikhil sir and Molin sir for guiding me through the visa process, and Sheetal ma'am and Bhavin sir to guide me through mock interviews to clear my visa interview. And I would really thank Nisha ma'am for all the help in the application process. So I think I would recommend Careerline to everyone who are planning to go to overseas to study, as they give har kadam pe right advice.